Look at that. It's so beautiful. Hello everyone, it's me again and welcome to Pinay Putri. So today I'm so excited guys because finally I am going to make another Korean recipe. This recipe is actually based on Korean drama. How many times do I have to say Korean? From Korean drama. If you guys like watching Korean drama, I know you can relate from this recipe. So today I am going to cook Korean crispy fried chicken. Sounds good, right? So before we go start, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe for more home cooking videos recipe. So go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. So are you ready guys? Let's go start cooking. I am going to use the whole chicken. So we're gonna cut the chicken. And first I'm gonna take the backbone of the chicken. Let's cut this off. There you go. Let's take this off. Okay. There you go. Two like small pieces. Flatten the chicken and cut in the middle. Cut in half. Then cut. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And I'm going to cut the legs. So I'm gonna cut this again. Cut small because it's easy to cook. That's their Korean secret to fry the chicken. Go ahead and cut this to small. Quarter leg. Tiny pieces because maybe into a bite size like this. Cut the legs, chicken legs. Let's cut this in half. This is good enough. Okay, let's go ahead and put it all too. To half. And this is the breast chicken. Cut it into small size. I'm gonna cut this in half. Okay. So next we are going to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, tablespoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And I'm adding cooking wine, 1/4 cup of cooking wine. Let's go ahead and mix all the ingredients of the mixture. So let's go ahead and mix all the mixture, all the ingredients to marinate the chicken. I actually add the garlic as well to make more flavory our chicken. So let's go ahead and mix the ingredients. More flavory. So next, I'm going to make the butter for the chicken. I'm gonna need a big bowl again to mix all the mixture. So first, I'm gonna use the flour, about 1 cup of flour. Get in there. So now we are going to flavor the flour. We're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda, optional, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's just mix all the mixture. So let's go ahead and put the chicken on the flour. One by one. Coat the chicken with the flour. So let's put all the chicken. So don't put the liquidy. Just leave the liquid. Just put only the chicken. So let's go ahead and mix all the chicken. Coat the chicken with the flour. There you go. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water and let's go mix it again. So let's go ahead and heat the oil for about 373 degrees. So now let's go add the chicken one by one. Don't put it all together because the oil temperature it will drop too low. Go ahead and fry the chicken one by one. Look at the color. Nice. We're just gonna cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes or until the color golden brown. So after 7 minutes, let's go put this on the side. And we're gonna fry it again. Korean chicken, they fried their chicken twice. Plus their secret of crispy fried chicken. So we are going to double fry the fried chicken to make it extra crispy. So make sure your oil is, the temperature is 400 degrees. So let's go ahead and put the chicken. So this time we only cook for about 2 minutes. The second fry we only just cook for about 2 minutes. guys, I'm going to try this fried chicken. How crispy it is. Here is my Korean fried chicken. Time to make the sauce. Okay, in a large skillet, let's combine 2 teaspoons of Korean chili paste and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1.5 teaspoon of strawberry jam. So here is my finished food. So we are going to try this. Just chicken. Yummy, crispy, fried chicken. Look at that. So now I am going to try the